excited because of what Harman is able to provide. Work from home. This is obviously has created an impact in the office and, of course, out of the office at remote locations. Now, what do you see as the possible advantages that Harman brings in this area, both in the office environment and the home environment? And how are you all addressing this?
So look, I think, let me go back. I think for me, the work from home environment is the new normal. It will stay there for another couple of months. Some companies have already basically said it would be for the next 9 months to a year, right? The big ones have come out. So for us, it is the new normal. And the good part for Harman always has been about connected experiences, right? Our mantra has always been that connected experience, the ability of the person being seamless between the different parts of what they kind of do and how they work. And I think given our audio video line and what we've done, I think there are a couple of key advantages that we play in very well. When you look at video conferencing, when you look at this side, what you really see is the quality of audio, the quality of leveraging of the video. Both are very important aspects. And look, we are in the AV industry, and Harman is in that forefront of the AV industry. And the big advantage we have is, given our other businesses in automotive and consumer, we also understand the needs of the consumer and what it is. So it's about a seamless experience between everything that they do, and that's been our mantra. So we see work from home to be really an extension of what we've already been kind of doing. When I look at this, so we see this as a very big opportunity. It's an opportunity we've been kind of seizing. An example I'll talk about is, really we started creating products for the podcaster side of the business, when we looked at our business in the yesteryears. And realistically, it was very easy, given the speed at which our product management and development can go, to actually turn these into work from home essentials. So really that sector, when you look at our AKG Lyra, when you look at our headphones, coupled with products like our Ascendo, coupled with our software stuff that we built in, all these have come in to basically address different segments of the market. One for a price-sensitive customer who's new, who's putting this in, one for a mid-end and one for a high-end. And really that's taken off really well. I'm very, very proud to say that, and that coupled with our digital marketing initiatives has been a really, really strong point in terms of taking things out. So I feel very good. We've done very well. And really, when we look at work from home, I feel that's one aspect. But the second aspect is also distance learning. As we look at the children through this, I've got 4 children. That's a very important aspect of how things build up. And what we really see is we've been able to get into that market space, into that micro segment in a pretty decent fashion.
Great. Has it been lately that there has been a lot more emphasis in this space that we just spoke about, in terms of solutions that Harman is moving out?
Yes, so look, the way I see it is, as I said, work from home for many of the people who've been travelers like I am has been an important element of what we've done, right? When I look at my own office, 70% of the people, we travel all the time. And reality is that, but what this has really done is basically taken this to the next level. And where I feel is with our products and solutions that we were already building, we have been able to go repurpose them very, very quickly to basically go cater to this fast-growing micro segment.
Yes, that's why I was pretty excited to talk about this. Actually, in my head, I was thinking of packaging for homes, because there's a lot of people who are still not having the kind of experience that they should have. I mean, with a microphone, with a speaker, with a headset, lighting, which you are also involved in. So that's why I was pretty excited, because I felt that Harman actually has all the elements to create that experience.
Yes, so I'll give you some examples, right? I'll give you some examples which we've taken to a regular user, a consumer, right? We've actually taken our microphone technology with AKG Lyra. which is a USB-based microphone. We basically bundled that with our Bluetooth professional grade headphones, which is our 361, 371 range. We've kind of taken our 104, which is small sound monitors, which can also be used as computer monitors, but they also have Bluetooth connectivity.
Yes.
We've just taken some of these as a starting point, right? And I mean, when you kind of look at that, that's just been what I call as work from home essentials,
Yes.
right? That's the package that we have, and that's what we are basically building towards. The other side we've also done to basically accelerate this has also been on our channels and our go-to-market, right? So leveraging the strength of our JBL brand, we've actually, Pro has gone full-fledged to going to jbl.com. Our expansion into e-commerce has been pretty strong, and it's actually been done through our distribution community, right? So we, as a rule of thumb, always work with our distributors. That is our principle. And reality is, but working with them and the ability for us to get into e-commerce sites and what we kind of do has been very, very strong. So I think both had to kind of go hand in hand. So it was a combination of e-commerce sites, combination of CE stores, combination of new channels, also basically getting bundled with the right set of products that we can bring in from our stable, but also leveraging the stable of our consumer business to really create that experience that we needed for the people.
Absolutely.